So to start, you're going to need to go to the Processing tab and then press Import. This will then prompt you to add in your bank statement. Because it's not been mapped yet, I have to select the columns. So the name, reference, amount, date. The good thing about this is that it will remember it going forwards. So you only have to do this once unless your data changes. So now automatically my transactions from my bank statement have been categorized into revenue and into expenses. Then the next step is to populate your invoices and your expenses. So I'm just going to do that. So now these are both populated. I can then progress on to finding matches. This will automatically check for the dates and the amounts in the corresponding sheets and basically match up the values. So then at this point, you'll know which ones are unmatched. So these are the ones that you need to investigate a little bit further. So for example, here, these invoices aren't matched. They're not in here. So I need to investigate, where that money's come from. And the same with the expenses. These ones are matched, but this one here, I don't know where that comes from. It's not in my expenses, so I need to investigate where that comes from. Otherwise, I can't expense it. Then at that point, it's pretty much done. And then you need to just refresh the tables.